Hey, come on, let's go. Let's all go to the Cowboy Jack show.
Boy, I tell you what, it is such a hot day today. Woo-wee. Boy, it's hot. I wish I had something refreshing, something to kind of cool me off in this Texas heat a little bit. Wonder where we could find something like that, cowboys and cowgirls. Wait a second, there's a snow cone truck right here. Check this out, guys, come over here. M&K Puckett snow cones right here in Spring, Texas. Hey, how's it going?
Hi!
How are y'all doing today?
Good, how are you?
So you guys are like snow cone geniuses, huh?
Oh, yes.
These are all
Ice
your
queens.
flavors right here?
All of them.
Wow, guys, come look at all these different flavors. Bahama Mama, that's one of my favorite. Georgia Peach has gotta be really tasty. Boy, this is cool. I mean, there's a huge variety. Wow, you guys have a ton of flavors. How do you pick which one you want?
I usually just look at the menu and just...
Ooh, that's a good idea. Let me do that. You guys wanna do that with me? I'm gonna cover my eyes and just kind of point. What do we got? Patriot. Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Ooh.
Red raspberry, coconut, and blue raspberry. Well, this is all American made here today, so I just love the idea of a Patriot.
It's delicious.
That's so cool. So y'all make them here yourselves?
Yes, sir.
That is so cool. Could we, you know,
Of course.
take a look and see what it's like?
Yes.
Wait, we can actually come in there?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Wow, I've never been inside a snow cone truck before. Here we go. Wow. What wow, guys, wait until you see this. Take a look in there. This is so cool. Well, hey, hang on a second. We haven't even been introduced yet. I'm Cowboy Jack.
I'm Madison. Nice to meet you,
Madison,
Cowboy
nice
Jack.
to meet you.
I'm Kendall, nice to meet you.
Kendall, very nice to meet you. So, Madison and Kendall, your name starts with an M, your name starts with a K. Is that why we call it M&K snow cones?
Yes, sir.
That is so cool. I love that. And you guys are sisters, obviously.
Yes, sir.
That is awesome. So, this is your snow cone truck.
Yes, sir.
So, if we were going to make a Patriot snow cone, because I actually really do want one, how would we do that?
So we're gonna start by taking this ice, and we had to let it thaw out for about a good 10 minutes in this Texas heat.
You had to let the ice thaw?
And we flip it over. We freeze all of our ice ourselves. So in these white buckets, we fill up with this water and we have to freeze it. It takes about a good 3 days to freeze every bucket.
Wow, look at that. I mean, we don't see that very often in Texas. That is a solid block of ice right there. That is so cool. Hey, don't get frostbite.
My hands are pretty used to the cold by now. I think I could live in Antarctica.
Well, you're in the wrong place if you like the cold, because it is really hot today. So, what is this? I saw you like clamp it down on here. So you use this wheel right here?
Yes, sir. It goes
Wow.
up and
Sorry,
down.
I'm a hands-on learner.
Oh,
So
go for it.
look at this, guys. So when she turned this wheel, it clamps down on that ice. Now, why does it do that?
It helps it pressure. If you see, don't touch because this is sharp. There's a razor blade right there.
Oh, wow.
And when I step on this pedal, it's gonna make it spin really, really fast. And it's gonna shave it off that razor blade to make soft, fluffy ice.
So it has all those little teeth on there to kind of hold this in place so that it's spinning against that blade. Wow, who knew that snow cones could be so complicated? This
Very
is
complicated.
You guys are artists, aren't you? This is so cool.
So did you want a small, medium, or large?
Well, it's pretty hot. Maybe a medium.
A medium? You got it. So we're gonna start by just shaving that ice. You kind of want to shape it a little bit because we want that big Texas-sized dough.
That is so cool. It's almost like you're a sculptor of snow there. That is so cool.
Next, we're gonna put them in our spill stopper.
Oh, that's important. That's really
Oh, yes.
important, especially if you're taking it in the car after you leave, right?
Yes, sir.
That is so. Hey, I can't resist doing something
Oh, go
real
for
quick.
it.
I just wanted to feel this snow. Hey, you guys feel that? Sorry, hope I didn't get you. Wow, that is so cool.
If you ever want to have a snowball fight, I know just the place.
I bet you do. Boy, I wouldn't want to find you around December. You're good with the snow.
Kendall, can you show us how to make a Patriot? Of course.
Guys, come over here. Wow, I mean, look at this. Look at this huge wall of flavors. How do you, oh, okay, you have labels on them so you know.
Yes, so I have labels. So they're not all exactly in order, but I tried with my best. So there's like the B's and C's over here, and it kind of just goes down here. There's like our cola, which should be over there, but of course, I'm not perfect. Whenever you get in a rush, they kind of just go everywhere.
I understand that.
Yes, sir. And then all of our clear flavors are over there, too. Like, it just kind of helps me like even better. But
Wait a second, I saw something really unique here and I just have to ask. Do you guys see what this one says? That says coffee on it. How often are you selling a coffee flavored snow cone?
so it's actually kind of often because now since it's starting to get to the fall.
Yeah.
A lot of people are like wanting more of like a fall like flavor. So we do like coffee and like vanilla.
Wait a second, don't tell me y'all have a pumpkin spice. But that's cool. I mean, look at this bottle. That somebody's used a lot of this flavor, so it's obviously pretty popular.
Our most popular combination to go with our coffee is called a mudslide. It's coffee with vanilla cream or vanilla flavoring. We pour the sweet cream over the top, chocolate syrup, and a little bit of whipped cream, and it is heavenly.
Wee.
is
Wow,
so
that
good.
sounds really delicious. I'll let you guys in on a little bit of secret. Cowboy Jack doesn't like very strong coffee. I like things with a lot of milk in them, so that sounds just up my alley. What's your weirdest flavor you think you have?
My weirdest flavor is probably Madison. Would you like to help me on this one?
I think a Shrek is gonna be the most weird. It's not exactly a flavor, but it's a combination. It's green apple mixed with blue raspberry. It tastes a lot better than it sounds.
It
but
doesn't sound
is
that
so
bad,
delicious.
but I saw some really interesting ones like this. Guys, do y'all
pickle.
see that dill pickle? Would you want to eat a snow cone that tastes like dill pickle? Well, obviously somebody does. Look at all that stuff gone. But watch out for SpongeBob right there.
SpongeBob is actually popular. It's tutti frutti and pineapple combined.
Tutti Frutti and pineapple.
See, we just pour pineapple in the bottle and then we pour a little bit of tutti frutti on top to give it a little Patrick look.
This is so cool. You guys are blowing my minds. Wait. This has got to be the weirdest one. You guys want to guess what it is? It's a sandwich that we could eat. Peanut butter and jelly, PB&J. How crazy is that? I can imagine it's actually probably pretty popular.
Sometimes. So we
Depends
mix
on the
grape
crowd.
with that one. Oh yes, depends on the crowd.
I don't think I'm up for a peanut butter and jelly. Let's get back to making that Patriot. Sorry, I just had to ask all these questions because I've never been in here before. You guys are so generous to let us see this stuff, and I have to take it all in.
So you asked for a Patriot. So in the Patriot is coconut, blue raspberry, and red raspberry. So the first flavor that we're going to pour is we're going to pour coconut down the middle. So I'm just going to pour it like this and wait till it hits off the bottom. And after it does, I'm just going to go like this, where it's kind of the white. And then I just ran out of a bottle. I'm going to put it right here to make it later.
It's almost like you gave it a mohawk there.
Yes, sir. So since the Patriot is kind of like a red, white, blue, I kind of want to represent a flag. So I do vertical instead of circles. So I'm going to do the red on this side for the red raspberry. And the blue raspberry, I'm going to go on this side for like a red, white, blue Patriot.
That is so amazing. I love this. This is the most patriotic Patriot snow cone I've ever seen in my life. We have the red, white, and blue, the bars and stars, just like the good old... Wait a second, what happened to this spoon?
Uh-oh, it looks defective. Let me get you another.
That is crazy. What happened there? Let me put this in right here. Boy, that looks tasty. Wait a second, this one's doing it too. Wait, are you guys playing a trick on me?
There's no tricks. We just have the coolest spoons around.
Oh, wait, what happens? Do they change colors?
They do. They're temperature changing.
Whoa, look at that. That one's been in the ice and now it's all blue colored. A pull this one out and it's pink. I thought they had me pretty good. I was thinking something weird is going on. These guys have some strange spoons, but they're actually really, really cool. Well, could I taste it?
Of course, of course.
Oh, here we go. I'm not gonna talk to you right now. Give me 1 second. You know what? These colors don't run. This is an incredible snow cone right here. This is so good. And this tastes different than a lot of snow cones I've ever had. This ice is so finely shaved. It doesn't, you know, a lot of these snow cones out here you get and they're like real tough on your teeth. This just melts in your mouth. That is incredible. So you guys go all over the place and make these for people.
Yes, sir.
That is so cool. So like how do people know where they can find you? Because you guys work all over the place.
You can always find me by checking out our website, www.mnksnowcones.com.
Wow, okay.
Or your mom and dad can go to our Facebook page and Instagram page, and we always have our monthly or weekly schedules posted.
That is so cool. And how long have you guys had the snow cones?
We've had this snow cone business for about 1.5 years now.
Wow. Now, these guys, how many employees do you have?
I have about 20 to 22.
Guys, 20 employees. Madison and Kendall are killing it at the snow cone business. This is so amazing. And hey, if you don't mind me asking a personal question, we don't normally ask ladies this, but how old are you guys?
I am 18 and she is 14.
14 and 18 with 20 employees, guys. That just shows you if you put your mind to absolutely anything you want in this world, the sky is the limit. I bet you didn't get here by laying on the couch and sleeping in on Saturdays, did you? So you put in really hard work and look at the snow cone empire you've created. And this isn't a seasonal thing either. This is year round.
In fact, we are extremely busy in December. The only month we slow down is June.
June, really? That's a hot month here in Texas.
I know.
Come on, people. June, let's eat some snow cones. They're incredible. Why would you not want to eat them? They got color changing spoons up in here. This is so cool. Well, thank you guys so much for showing us around. This is, wait. Like I said, I've never been in a snow cone stand before, so I've got more questions. I see that you've got some candy up here. I see a lot of really unique things. So you're not just snow cones, are you?
No, we do sell candy, and sometimes we sell sodas too.
Okay, well that's important
But
too.
usually we put all of our candy on top of the snow cone because people don't really like to eat candy individually.
Okay.
So a lot of kids love to add our Sour Patch Kids around the brim, and they just sit around the brim.
Ooh, one's jumping out.
Oh, Kendall's got it.
Look at that, guys. How stinking cool is that? We've got Sour Patch Kids all around us. Now, what is this? I've never actually had a Sour Patch Kid. Is that weird?
Really?
I've never had one.
Sour Patch Kids are the best candies out there.
Should I try it? Ooh, whoa. That is unique.
Very sour.
Oh, everybody's got their thing. This is not my thing, but it's really good. Wow.
You can make it a little sweeter by adding some coconut cream on top of the Patriot.
Ooh, now we're talking. A little freedom sauce right there on top.
That is one of our best sellers to go on top of our Patriot is our coconut cream. Our coconut cream is dairy free. So for anyone with allergies to any dairy, we have alternatives rather than the sweetened condensed milk.
Wow. This is so good. I could stay in here and it's nice and cool in here. I'll tell you what, it is hot outside. Hey, wait a second. Are you guys laughing at my hair? All right, let me put this hat back on. This has been such an amazing experience, guys. I really appreciate you having me. I can't stop looking around. There's so much to see. And we're actually inside a truck. That's the other cool thing. So you actually have a mobile business going all over the place. So who drives? Well, you're not. You'll get there though.
I'll get there.
She's not old enough yet. We always have to be 16 or older in the state of Texas to drive. So you're driving around?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you ever get nervous driving this big old boat around?
Sometimes, but not really. I take up most of the road, so it's not like I can really go anywhere. Do you know a big FedEx truck?
Yeah.
This used to be a FedEx truck.
No
it had
way.
FedEx on the side. It had the shelves in here, and Kendall and I came in here with some really good power tools, and we came in here and sawed everything away.
Seriously?
So whenever you see the UPS drivers, that's basically us.
Those UPS drivers are missing out. Those trucks are hot. This one is so cool. It's so amazing. And you guys have this great, beautiful storefront for everybody, just like when I walked up down there. This was so cool. Well, thank you so much for having me in. I really appreciate y'all's time.
Thank you for coming.
You guys are absolutely incredible. Just shining stars in the community. I really appreciate what you do. And you guys should feel really proud of what you've built and what you're doing. That's so cool. I'm so incredibly grateful that we ran into you today.
I'm even more grateful we got to see you.
Oh, stop it, stop it. All right, cowboys and cowgirls, how lucky are we today? It's hot outside and we found the perfect snow cone truck, the absolute best snow cone truck in the world, M&K Puckett Snow Cones, right here in Spring, Texas. Madison, Kendall, thank y'all so much for showing us this. I know I had a blast. I had a delicious treat too. Maybe not so much the Sour Patch Kids, but I love the snow cone. And I had such a great experience hearing about y'all's story and how you work in this incredible place and do these incredible things. It's just been mind-blowing for me.
Thank you for your time.
I wanted to ask you guys something. At the end of our show, we always do the yeehaw. You guys know what the yeehaw is?
I do.
Oh, you do? Okay. Well, would y'all mind doing it with me?
Of course.
All right, guys, well, let's do it. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you come with us again because we go on a lot of adventures. But until next time we see you, 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw!